Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to download voice messages from Facebook. First open the Chrome Web Store, then search for Voiload and install the extension. Once it's installed, close all your browser tabs and open Facebook. After that, make sure the Voiload extension is enabled. Now open the chat that contains the voice message and let it load completely. After that, right-click on that voice message and you will see a new option to download it. So click the download option, choose where you want to save the file and it will start downloading. Once it's finished, you can simply double-click the file to play it with your music player. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.